Hello. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use the search capabilities in sam.gov to search for subaward reporting information starting in spring 2025. The ability to search for subaward information will be added to sam.gov and will be a new feature for FSRS users. Subaward information on sam.gov will be available to authenticated users. This represents the first time that subcontract and assistance subaward data will be available for search for authenticated users outside of USA Spending, greatly increasing transparency for data created within SAM. For those users who have not signed in, they will be prompted to sign in to be able to see these records within SAM. For our demonstration today, we'll be using a non-federal account that is logged in. To begin, select the Search tab. We've made some changes to the sam.gov search page that will benefit everyone. Search is now simpler and easier to navigate. We moved the domain selectors from the left navigation to the top of the page based on customer feedback. These bubbles let you choose which area of sam.gov you want to search. When you select a domain, the subdomains become available. By default, the All Domains parent domain is selected, which will return results for any record within sam.gov. For more tailored results, you can select a specific SAM domain. You can either choose a subdomain to search within that domain, or choose a new domain by selecting from the drop-down menu of the current domain. Unlike the other domains, the Entity Information parent domain has an All Entity Information subdomain that allows you to search and view results across all Entity Information subdomains, including entities, disaster response registry, responsibility/qualification, and exclusions. For all other parent domains, including contracting, federal assistance, federal hierarchy, and wage determinations, you will need to select at least one subdomain to determine the kinds of results that you would like to see. For subaward information, you can choose either contracting or federal assistance. For this example, we'll use contracting. Notice the filters in the left navigation pane. These filters change based on the domain or subdomain that you select. To search for reporting information, select Subaward Reports. You can use the filters in the left column to further refine your search results. As you enter search criteria, the search is updated to reflect your entries. You can perform a wildcard search using any words, all words, or an exact phrase search in the keyword search section, or alternatively, the search page allows you to use varying options for filters. In the subcontractor section, you can filter by Unique Entity ID, UEI, or entity name. Within the subcontract section, you can filter by the subaward ID. In the Prime Contractor section, you can filter by Unique Entity ID, UEI, or entity name. In the Prime Contract section, you can filter by Contract ID, PID, Reference IDV, PID, or Federal Organizations, where you can either type the ID or name of the federal organization, or you can select the three-dot ellipsis button to open a menu to select the federal organization. For the date filter, you can choose either a pre-selected date range or enter a custom date range. If you want to save this search for later, select the Actions menu and select Save from the drop-down. Enter a name for your saved search and select the Save button. This saved search is added to your Save Searches page. From the Save Searches page, you can select from the Actions menu to edit, duplicate, delete, or download your saved search. Or you can run the search again by selecting the link under the Name column. You can also download the saved search from the Actions menu by selecting Download. Select either a CSV or PDF file type and then select the Download button. You can then open this file from your computer's download folder. The information in this video is also applicable to the Federal Assistance domain search. The subdomains and filters are different for the federal assistance domain, but all other aspects of the search operate in the same manner. For example, by selecting the menu button from the Federal Organizations filter drop-down, you can select from a pre-populated list of federal organizations. And then, you could select from the list of assistance types to further refine your search results. This is a new filter that has been added to SAM and was not previously available in FSRS. That wraps up our discussion of how to use the new search features in sam.gov to locate subaward report information. Thanks for watching.